Time Brandon. Oh no. Oh. Bro, I have nails in. La vaca Saturno. Saturno. Okay, guys, let's see what Zoe is gonna get. I'm scared. Not actually scared. I'm gonna be laughing her out, and I'm gonna send this video to her. Okay, so Diam Lila. La Rila la la la. What? La Rila. Lil. La. I know this one. But it's kinda. Is it better? Let's try my best. Which is a panini. Damn, why does she has this one? That's better than me. No, not a monkey. This is my friend. Oh. Oh, I think what she has the same thing as me. But why? Why? Like, but it depends. So, who should we try next? Oh, let's try YouTube. So let's see what YouTube. Bro, this thing doesn't want me to try YouTube. No, because I know YouTube and it doesn't want us to YouTube. The names are not so hard to spell. It's just like my head is not focused.